What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod back with another video, and today I got a very special unboxing for you guys. Now, I usually don't do unboxings on this channel, but lately I've been doing a ton of retail online arbitrage, and for me this is different because I usually get most of my inventory from thrift stores, garage sales, and yard sales, and just stuff like that. But for the most part, I've been trying to just expand my inventory, get more things that are brand new in the box or just brand new with tags. And as you guys know, I love sneakers. I love wearing dope sneakers, and I love selling dope sneakers as well. So I definitely decided to just try some online arbitrage. But the thing with this is that you're going to have to spend some more money, even if you're getting some of these items on sale. Because traditionally, I spend maybe 10 or 12 bucks on shoes, but this time around I spent like 60 bucks a pair on some shoes. And I know I won't be making a ton of profit on these pieces, but I did just want to experiment and just kind of share the experience with you guys as well. Now I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I got three pretty sized big boxes. I got one small one here, a decent sized one, and then a really big one. So I'll save the really big one for last, but I do think this video will give you guys some more perspective and just kind of open your eyes to doing some more online arbitrage, especially since there is a ton of end of season sales happening now and probably start coming up as back to school starts coming up and things like that. Once we start getting into the beginning of September and late August, you're going to start seeing a ton of different websites having end of season sales. So what you might want to start doing is just start signing up and just trying to get onto as many mailing lists as possible for a bunch of these different stores. And what I've been doing for the past couple of nights is I've literally just been going into Google and just spending a ton of hours literally just scanning different websites, trying to see what's on sale, trying to see what might be coming up on sale. So I'm not going to share where I bought all of these stuff because I bought a ton of stuff from different websites. I got more packages coming, but like I said, I stayed up until like 2 o'clock making orders, and I usually don't stay up that late. I try to go to bed at a reasonable time, but lately I just been really locked in trying to get more inventory. So like I said, you guys just got to do your own Google searches, type in end of season sales and just see what pops up. Check the sales section and try to get some steals and deals and flip them on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Amazon, wherever it is you guys like to sell. So without further ado, let's jump into this and I'll tell you guys how much I paid and how much I think it'll sell for on eBay and on Poshmark. So like I said, let's start off with the first box, and this box, I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. This was just one pair of shoes in this box, and so far, yep, we got a Nike box. So I definitely know what shoe this one is. Got the nice big Nike logo on there, brand new in box as well. And this is a pair of the Nike Moon Racer, and this is actually a quick strike edition, so that means you're just a little more rare, a little more sought after, so I can get a little more money for these. And this is actually in my size. This is a size 11, so this is actually pretty damn dope. I'm thinking I could get somewhere between 130 to about 150 for these shoes, and I spent 60 bucks on these. So hopefully these will sell pretty quickly. I'm not going to be making a ton of profit, especially after shipping and fees, but I am going to list it on the higher end and just see how long it takes to sell. But these shoes are pretty dope, pretty sought after, and as long as I list it in a decent amount of time, they should still sell because people are really into these type of quick strike shoes, and running shoes in general right now are selling for me like crazy. So I figured I might as well take the chance, and at the very least I'll probably double up on my money. Alright y'all, so let's open up this next box, and this is a way bigger box. I cut towards myself. Don't do that if y'all guys trying to do unboxings on camera. You could definitely cut yourself, but as you can tell, I'm not like a professional unboxer by any means. So let's just jump in and see what I got. We got a few boxes here, and these might all be some of the same shoes. And that's one thing I like to do anytime I'm trying to do some online arbitrage, or even if I'm doing retail arbitrage. For me, it's really good and really easy to buy a lot of the same shoes in the same colorway, just in different sizes. That way it's only one listing and I can just put them up as quick as possible. So this is actually the Adidas ZX10000C Overkill. Now Overkill, that name is just overkill for me. These shoes, in my opinion, are pretty damn dope. And the reason why I picked these shoes up in particular is only because they were selling on eBay for a decent amount of profit. Let's start there. But anytime I was checking the international sales, I was seeing that those were selling for a lot more profit. And the thing about Adidas in general, especially some of these rare and limited Adidas shoes, I usually ship them internationally on eBay. Now, I don't know why that is. I don't know if people overseas just really appreciate Adidas and what they're doing. but for the most part I usually always sell a lot of my more exclusive Adidas pieces internationally via the global shipping program on eBay. So I'm guessing I might get somewhere between maybe 120 to about 150 or maybe even more than that on eBay for these, because they are brand new in the box, and my goal is to ship these internationally. So I might have to switch things around a little bit. I might open it up outside of just the global shipping program just so that I can try to attract more international buyers. But something like this should sell for a decent amount of profit. And I picked up, I believe it was 5 or 6 pairs of these, and I got these for I think it was $48 a piece. So this was a really good buy, and that's why I was able to buy so many of them, because it was a good deal and the potential was there. Either I'm shipping it internationally or I ship it domestically, I should still make a decent amount of profit. So like I said, don't be afraid to check the markets, check Poshmark, check eBay, but also check those international orders, because of course you can always just ship things internationally, and just try to attract some more buyers. Now let's get into this last package, and this is a really big box that we have here. So I'm pretty sure this has a few pairs of shoes in here, and I'll just go through all of them really quickly, because like I said, this is just 3 pairs of the Adidas Overkill. And now let's see what else we got. I love getting this type of tissue paper, because for one, every time I tell people I sell things on eBay and on Poshmark, especially Poshmark, I don't use tissue paper and stuff like that to kind of make my orders look all pretty. But something like this, I would definitely recycle these and insert these in some of my own Poshmark orders. So if you guys are ordering anything from me and you used to get some tissue paper, just know that I'm recycling it and I did not pay for this stuff. First box we got here is the Adidas Stella McCartney, and this was probably one of the best deals that I got. The price tag on this one is 180 bucks, and this is a size 7 in women, and this is the Pure Boost XTR 3.0s, and like I said, it's an Adidas Stella McCartney, and this shoe right here is really nice, really dope, size 7, brand new in the box. And these are really clean, so I'm pretty sure these will sell for a decent amount of profit. I only paid 30 bucks for these shoes, and I almost forgot to mention, one of the things when it came down to a lot of my orders, I was up 2:30 at night, and a lot of my orders ended up getting refunded. And the only reason why that happened was because I had stuff in my cart and I didn't check out fast enough, and I was clearly battling with a ton of other, you know, casual buyers, or probably just other resellers as well, taking advantage of a ton of these different sales. So I ordered a bunch of different shoes, and I spent well over 1,200 bucks, and after all said and done, I probably got refunded closer to $300. But like I said, the online retail arbitrage, it definitely, you're gonna have to spend some money to make money. But like I said, I just definitely wanted to kind of just try something different. These shoes are really dope, really clean, and they're also running performance shoes, and it's in a good size for women as well. So these should sell for at least 100 bucks, and I got these for 30, so I'm hoping these sell fast. Like I said, really, really dope. So let's go and check the other shoes, and here we got a pair of Vans. Now this is, the box is a little beat up on this, but that's all good. And this is a pair of Vans, and this is the Modernica. I guess that's what it's called. But these Vans, I think I picked these up for 30 bucks as well. And Vans don't usually sell for a ton of profit unless it's like a dope collaboration. And because these are Modernica Vans, I'm pretty sure these will bring in some more money. So I paid 30 bucks for these, and I'm guessing I'll get probably closer to 80, maybe 100 bucks for these shoes. Of course, I'm going to list it on the higher end just to be safe, but I'm pretty sure these will sell for a decent amount of profit. This is a size 11.5, and the retail price on this is actually 80 bucks. So I'm probably going to price mine I'm probably gonna price mine at retail and see what happens. But like I said, I paid 30 bucks for these, so I'm at least gonna double up my money on these shoes. So hopefully they sell fast. Only thing with this is it's a size 11.5, and 11.5 is a tougher sale, especially with my experience. But like I said, 30 bucks, can't go wrong. Now, last but not least, we actually got 2 of the same shoes here, and this is a really big Converse box, and I got a size 12, and I believe the other size was an 11, and the retail price on this is 150 bucks, and this is actually the Converse ERX High, the triple black. I believe this was called like the Soloist or something like this, and these shoes right here were really dope, really clean, and I had to pick this up. Let me put this shoe down. Had to pick these up, give you guys a closer look. Now, if you guys follow my Poshmark Closet, you guys will definitely see that I'm trying to at least sell some of these Converse ERX shoes that I picked up from Ross, and we'll see if it sells. If not, I'll just go ahead and return them. But these are actually way more limited, and I couldn't even find these online. So as soon as I saw these, I had to grab these and put them in the cart, and I actually paid 60 bucks for these, and I got 2 pairs. So this was definitely a really good flip, and I'm expecting that I'm probably going to charge closer to the 150 mark and see what happens, since these are really rare and really limited. And I'm not sure if there's really like a huge crowd for these type of shoes, but like I said, you just got to test the market out. I've seen a sold listing, and I believe it was like 120, maybe 130, not exactly sure, but I know I did see a sold listing. So if I can find it, I'll definitely put it up here for you guys. But these shoes are really dope, really clean. You got a size 12 and a size 11. So definitely be on the lookout for some of these Converses. I know Don C did a collaboration, so a ton of them are going to be in Ross and Marshalls. And I actually have a few pairs myself listed on eBay and on Poshmark. We'll just see if it sells, because I've seen some sell, especially the red colorway. I've seen some sell for 100 bucks, and they were selling in Ross for only 30. And I also see some people have them listed right now for like 50 to 60 bucks. So it might be a slower sale. I might have to hold on to them for a while before it sells. But something like this, something that's so rare, something so limited, I'm pretty sure the right buyer will come along. And I got some decent sizes. I got a size 11 and a size 12. So that's all I got for today's video. If you guys enjoyed that one, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. And if you're a Patreon member, I'm actually going to tell you guys where I picked up some of these shoes from, just so I can, you know, share some of my stores that I found. Because like I said, I've been up way too late, put in a lot of man hours, so I'm not going to just share it with everybody, because of course every good businessman doesn't give all their tips and tricks to everybody. But the Patreon subscribers, I'll share the stores with you guys, so you guys can try to hit up some of these sales, because I do believe the sale is still happening. So definitely be on the lookout for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I told you my intentions, baby. Still blame me for things from before. You over being underrated. This line is causing thunder lately. So lend a heart with no repayment. My interest rate is lower, ain't it? The side of